Guys, welcome back to the D&N Medical Series. It's your girl Nikki, and today, if you're not yet a subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the post notification on so you get a update every time we have a new release. And if you're new here, welcome. So today I'll be talking about, as our title suggests, what does a vagina taste like? So in short, a vagina tastes like a vagina. So a healthy vulva, which includes your labia and your vaginal opening, tastes like a healthy vulva. That is to say, it might be sweet, it can be sour, it can be metallic or bitter, it can be salty or sharp, and it may even have a faint hint of what you had for dinner. So this is to say that the taste can vary throughout the month and even through your menstrual cycle. So it all varies based on what you eat, etc., etc. And I'm going to explain all of that to you today. So let's talk about what makes your vagina taste a little bit metallic or penny, like have a penny-like coin flavor. You know, the penny red coins, right? So what causes this? So the vagina, which is the internal canal, is naturally acidic. And that's a good thing. Don't get me wrong, it's a good thing. It's how they balance the bacteria and blossom down there. So your vagina is known for cleaning itself, and you have good bacteria down there that balances your pH. But that natural acidity can translate to some flavor that are stronger than neutral. So some people describe this metallic or penny-like flavor, and some say it tastes like a battery. It tastes battery-y. Right. So the metallic taste may also be common after your menstruation, as trace amount of blood can still be around the vagina, and the blood naturally has a metallic taste because of its iron content. What can make it salty or a bit sour? Sweat, in short. So sweat from exercise or your natural body's perspiration can leave your vaginal area with a hint of salt. Also, not cleaning yourself well after urinating may leave trace of urine, which is also salty. So a sour taste from the excess sweat isn't unusual either, and it's certainly not a sign of anything bad. So it can be sour or salty based on what I've discussed above. So at the end of the day, your vagina isn't supposed to taste or smell like flowers or fruit, right? So after all, the vulva is often locked away under layers of clothing, and anything that might be damp for a while can develop a bit of a smell or a taste. So that doesn't mean anything is wrong, it's just the nature of bacteria, bodily fluids, and the vulva. So, as I said before, your vagina can be a lot of things: salt, bitter, metallic, sour, and all of that is currently normal, but it shouldn't be funky per se. So if your vagina's area suddenly develop a strong odor or a taste, it could be that your pH balance is disturbed. The vagina itself does a good job of maintaining the status quo, the bacterial status quo, with all the good bacteria going on there, cleaning it for us and all of that. And this can be skewed, like a new bath products, soap, detergents, or medication can throw off your pH and lead to some form of inflammation, irritation, and even infection, which can come with their unusual smell. So you can just go get that checked out with your doctor. It can also be as a result of your diet. So some food have impact on how your vagina tastes. Like asparagus can make your urine smell strong, and this might have an impact on the way it tastes. So some very short reports or research says the asparagus can make it taste grassy or green. And another thing to note is that curry and heavily spiced food may also have an impact. So these food often produce sweat with a distinct smell, and this sweat in your groin area may interfere with your vulva's natural aroma and taste. It also might be as a result from alcohol. So if your partner goes down on you after a night of drinking, it may taste a bit off. So that is because alcohol can increase your perspiration, and it might even affect the taste of the sweat that your body produces. So depending on the type of drink you had, the taste may be bitter or sour. Tobacco, on the other hand, can also affect how you sweat, and this can naturally change the flavor. And some people say that tobacco tastes like a bit acidic or bitter flavor, and it may even have a taste sour or stale. So the odors of the smoking tobacco can be absorbed through your skin, in your hair too, and the pungent smell may impact how you taste. So in some cases, some hygiene practices, some women use some washes, all of that can impact the taste. But you only need to wash on the outside vulva with a mild soap and water when you bathe. You don't need all those extravagant washes to do anything, because the vagina does that for you. So the bottom line is, your vulva's natural scent and flavor aren't like anybody else's, and they can change in your own lifetime, even from day to day. And as long as you're not showing any signs of infection, your smell and taste are perfectly fine. But if you're worried that your odors might be off, you can just talk to your doctor. They can look into any underlying condition that you have, whether it's an infection or whether it's a hygiene issue. They can do that for you. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the D&N Medical series. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.